Hey guys, welcome back to video 5 of the Pocket Advent Swap 2019. What I'm showing you here is some tags that I've made to go on the outside of the pockets. That was my day, I think it's 18 to 25. That was day 1 to 9, and this is day 10 to 17. Like I said, I'm going to be wrapping these presents in this wrapping paper here, and then I'm going to be wrapping the last day in some tissue paper. I'm going to give you guys a quick reminder of what I've made. So this right here is my day 1 to 9. I've gone with a blue theme for that page. This is my 10 to 17. This was a neutral theme. And then my 18 to 25 was a pink theme. I love this one. What I'm going to do is wrap them, and then I'm going to come back. This is my day 19 because it was a bit of a big gift. So here it is, all of the gifts wrapped. This is a pizza box that I got a kit in a little while ago that I've been saving. I've lined the bottom of it with some gold tissue paper, and I've painted the top of the box and wrote Merry Christmas Lisa in it just with my paint markers, and I also did a white strip with my white Uniball Signo liner. What I'm going to do is just place all of these in, making it nice and snug because it was a bit of a tight squeeze fitting them all in. So that was my last one, my last pocket. That's my day 19. Then I'm going to pop in my 10 to 17 and then my 1 to 9. I'm doing it in order of how she'll grab it out, and the reason I decided to wrap them was because I didn't want her getting any sneak peeks until the day that she'll be opening it. I made this card for her, and it's just got a little message in the middle of it, and I'm going to place that right on the top. I'm not even going to wrap it. What I'm going to do is close up the excess bits of tissue paper just to kind of make it very nice and snug, and then I'm going to shut the lid, and this is this project all done. I have enjoyed doing this so much. I hope Lisa loves this. When you guys are seeing it, this would have been over, but at the time of recording it, Lisa hasn't received it yet, so I don't know how she feels. I hope she enjoys it. I know I'm going to love what she makes because she makes absolutely beautiful things, and I'm just going to love getting something cute to open every single day. So here I am just shutting the box, making sure that I wasn't pushing down on any of the paper when it closed. Then I'm going to use some sticky tape just to seal up the box. I'm just weighing it down with this little book here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. If you haven't seen any of the videos, I suggest going to have a look at them because it'll give you a lot more of an idea of what this whole video is about. This is just the packaging up video. But like I said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I've enjoyed doing this so much. I can't wait for next year. Let me know down below if you guys participated in the 2019 Pocket Advent Calendar swap. I know there's talks at the moment of the creators thinking about doing a Easter swap and even a potential Christmas in July swap. I may be doing them. I'm not sure yet. I'll see how busy I am next year. But if you guys would like to participate, I will put a link down below to the Facebook group where you guys can see photos of what other people did. This is just my take on the project. I wanted to film it because I knew a lot of people were a bit unsure of what to do, so I thought I would share with you guys what I did for this whole project. I hope you've gotten some inspiration from this if you're going to do it next year. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.